Making the first move. I want to share with you today how a community of 35,000 other people changed my life. Ever feel like you're just stuck working hard, not getting ahead? I felt that way too until I found something that changed everything. 4 years ago, I was looking for a way out of the 9 to 5 grind, something that didn't require tech skills or a huge following. And I finally found it. I discovered a community of 35,000 strong, all on the same journey as me. Joining this group was the turning point. While I'm still on the path to financial freedom, so many in our community have already made it happen. They work in just a couple of hours a day, thanks to a done-for-you system that's as beginner-friendly as it gets. And the best part, we support each other every step of the way, sharing wins, tips, encouragement, and we have weekly live coaching from a millionaire. I know what you might think, but can this really work for me? I wanted the same thing, but seeing how others in our community have transformed their lives gives me the confidence that it's possible for anyone. No experience, no following, just a willingness to learn. It starts with making the first move. If you're looking for an interactive community to join and start building your own online income with the help of a done-for-you automated system, drop a comment so that I can share this information with you. You could be the next success story. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. We're all in this together. Let's make it happen.